Tips to detect engine misfiring in your Mercedes-Benz by Phoenix Mechanic. In your Mercedes-Benz, the engine relies on three components to fire its cylinders, such as fuel to burn, oxygen to facilitate the burn reaction, spark to start the ignition process. If any of those elements are not present at the perfect time, the cylinder won't combust. When the combustion reaction doesn't work correctly in vehicle, an engine misfire occurs. Misfires can occur both upon engine startup and even in the middle of engine idling. The following points define the signs to detect the engine misfiring in Mercedes-Benz. Change engine sounds. If you are experiencing misfires, you might also hear sudden changes in your engine sound. Due to misfire, the internal combustion reaction of the Mercedes-Benz has been interrupted. Rough idling. Engines that idle in a clunky or rough manner could be suffering from misfiring. When a misfire occurs, the air-to-fuel mixture in the cylinder becomes compromised. Black exhaust. When your engine misfires, it might create a cloud of thick and black exhaust in a vehicle. If you find that your vehicle is emitting black exhaust, then you may be experiencing a misfire. Sluggish acceleration. If your engine is misfiring, your vehicle might have trouble reaching adequate speeds. When your car is under load and continuously accelerating, misfires occur most frequently. Activated check engine light. Moreover, the engine misfires frequently cause your check engine light to illuminate. Explicit misfiring can affect the engine's functioning and needs to be examined by a professional. Conclusion. If you experience an engine misfire, it is best to cruise your vehicle to the side of the road. When misfiring occurs, you should look to have your Mercedes-Benz inspected immediately.